Alright, let's talk about something that makes driving way easier than you might think. Power steering. Ever wondered how you can turn your steering wheel with just 2 fingers? Even when your car's at a standstill? That's all thanks to the magic of power steering. Let's break it down step by step. First up, what exactly is power steering? It's a system that helps you steer your car more easily, using hydraulic or electric power. Without it, turning the wheel would feel like an arm workout at the gym, especially in older, heavier cars. There are 2 main types: hydraulic, electric. Hydraulic power steering uses a pump, usually driven by your engine with a belt. This pump pushes pressurized fluid through hoses and into a steering gear. When you turn the wheel, a valve opens, and that pressurized fluid helps move a piston inside the steering rack, making it way easier to turn the wheels. Imagine trying to push a heavy box across the floor. Now imagine someone giving you a big push from behind. That's what the hydraulic system does for your steering. Now, electric power steering is a bit newer and pops up in most modern cars. Instead of fluid and pumps, it uses an electric motor right on the steering column or rack. When you turn the wheel, sensors detect how much force you're using, and the motor jumps in to help you out, making the steering feel nice and light. Plus, electric systems can be tweaked by the car's computer, so you might get lighter steering at low speeds for parking and firmer steering on the highway for better control. Lighter steering at low speeds for parking, firmer steering on the highway for better control. So why does this all matter? Power steering doesn't just make your arms happy, it also helps with safety and control. If your power steering fails, lose fluid, electric motor dies. That's why it's important to check your power steering fluid level if you've got a hydraulic system, and keep an eye out for warning lights in newer electric setups. Check power steering fluid, hydraulic, watch warning lights, electric. A quick tip: if you ever hear whining noises when you turn the wheel, or if the steering feels jerky, it's time to check things out. Low fluid, a worn belt, or a failing pump could be to blame in a hydraulic system. Low fluid, worn belt. Failing pump with electric, you might have sensor or wiring issues. Sensor issues, wiring issues. So next time you're gliding into a tight parking spot with just a flick of the wrist, remember, there's a whole lot of clever engineering making that possible. Power steering. It's not just a luxury. It's a game changer for every driver. Stay curious and drive safe.